Okay, now, in order to pull the radiator out through the front, we have to take this upper hose completely off by using a flathead screwdriver. There's a spring on the top of the hose where it connects to the radiator. Up here, lift that clip up, and then wiggle on this until you get it off. Sometimes if that hose has been on there a long time, it can be a pain in the wazoo trying to get that off. But just work your way gently and keep working at it, twisting it like this until you get it out. So I'm going to remove that next. And sometimes there are quicker ways of doing these jobs, but I believe the quickest way to do something sometimes is the longest way, because otherwise you get stuck on something and it ends up taking a longer time to do the job. Okay, there you go, the hose is off. This is the clip I was talking about. This clip will be, when it's in place and locked in, it will be down in that position by putting a screwdriver up underneath there, of course from the back side, and prying it. That clip will pop up, and then you get to wiggling until it comes off. If you have any problem getting it off, spray a little WD-40 or CRC around the hose. It will gradually work its way in and make it a little easier to come out.